Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a salmon BLT burger. I know it sounds crazy, but before we dive right into this video, I want you guys to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and feel free to comment and feel free to share with your friends, earboos, whoever you want to share these videos with, and scan that QR code and give me a follow there on Instagram. I also wanted to point out that the sound that you guys will be hearing in this video is actually a sound that I created because I've just gotten to the point where like all of these social platforms just like ban every sound, and I'm just like, no. So I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna start creating my own random sounds that are not copyrighted. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it's very soothing. So if you have babies, just like play the sound, okay? Enjoy the video. I'll see you guys at the end. So, are you guys ready for the sauce? This is like the favorite main ingredient. So, that is mayo. This is tartar sauce. And then I think I'm gonna go on with some hot sauce. Hot sauce, okay? And some fresh lemon juice. And we're not done. And then the last ingredient is cheese. I prefer, I think this was like a mild or a sharp cheddar, I don't know. Just use cheddar. And then look at that. You guys, it was so good. So good. So you're gonna set that aside and put it back in the fridge. Now this rub goes on bacon. I know you're probably thinking rub does not go on bacon, but this rub goes on bacon. I promise you that. And then we're also gonna go ahead and squeeze some fresh lemon juice onto the bacon to cut through some of that fat with some acidity and to add some citrus flavor. Okay, so I'm checking back in with you guys before this video ends, and hopefully like my sound has not put you to sleep yet. And if you are just like fast forwarding through this video, before you exit, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. Feel free to comment. And you guys, I really want you to go ahead and try that sauce that I have with the cheese. I really want you guys to let me know what you think of it. I think it goes well with like any seafood, like as far as fish, like I would use it on salmon. I would probably use it on tuna or whatever type of fish. But go ahead and try the sauce. Let me know what you guys think. And I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. In the meantime, always be kind to everyone that you meet. And until next time, you guys, peace out and peace and love.